Hey everyone, we have a 48-volt battery right here, and this battery's bad, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up and check it out. Let's see if we can rebuild this thing. You always have a fire extinguisher next to you, just in case, when you're messing with lithium-ion batteries. So we're going to go ahead and cut the case open. All it is it's taped up, so we're going to use a razor blade and be really careful cutting the case off. Let's go ahead and test the battery. Alright, so it looks like all the cells are working. It's just the BMS is bad. This is the case of the battery. Those are all the stats. So we'll go ahead and buy a replacement. So we got parts in. We have a new BMS for this battery. So this is a 48-volt 13S battery. It's a lithium-ion battery. So it just arrived in the mail. So I'm going to go ahead and add this BMS to it. So we're going to replace the BMS that's in there. Here's the schematics for it. This charging port will go from P negative to B plus right here. This is the temperature. Let's go ahead and pull apart our battery. We bought this scooter used, and the previous owner told me the battery wasn't working and needed to be fixed. So I was testing it without the BMS, and it ended up working pretty good without the BMS. I'm trying not to hit the battery. There we go. I'm gonna set that cover aside. Okay, well, here's the battery. Here's the BMS. And this is a switch I added to it. So this is the old charging port right here. Let's go ahead and cut this. Here's the temperature. So we think the temperature was what was causing the issue. So this should lift up. There's double-sided tape under there. There we go. So now we're gonna go ahead, let's see if this is the same size. Okay, so it's not gonna plug up perfect. So here's the new harness. BMS works. So before we weren't getting any output. Positive, negative, and we have it. Got it working. All right, turn it off. Not the prettiest, but it's working. This is the charging port. All right, so we're gonna put this on here, twist it a little bit, and we're gonna solder that. Pretty good. Let's go ahead and. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and warm it up with this. Let's connect the other one.